In Taiwan, most elderly people lead monotonous and uneventful lives after retirement. They engage in a routine of eating, sleeping, and watching television, repeating this cycle day in and day out. Do you want to change your life?
Don't worry,
We have the Bobi!
Bobi is a user-friendly app specifically designed for seniors. It has truly transformed the lifestyle of seniors, fostering participation in community dining points and the Silver Age Learning Academy. Through these activities, seniors expand their social circles and enjoy their life.
Let's say happy birthday to her, and also to our Bobi. We integrate 5 functions such as instant messaging, graffiti wall, map guidance, medical records, and medical grade recipe in our user-friendly Bobi. In comparison to the messenger features of applications such as line groups, the Bobi app incorporates a large typing interface, making it convenient for seniors to read messages. Additionally, it includes a text-to-voice feature, enabling non-literate seniors to communicate with family and friends instantly.
Since the elderly may find the interface of social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram too complex, the Bobi app incorporates a simplified Postboard feature. This interface enables senior citizens to easily share their daily life with their family members working in distant locations. It could also be a place to update about their lives and display their current health status. The family and friends can engage in interaction with them by liking or commenting on the photos, fostering mutual attention and connection. The Bobi app features built-in Google Map functionality, allowing the coordinates of the irregular activities of seniors to be set as the default location. This eliminates the need to open multiple applications, as everything can be done through a single interface. The positioning is quick, straightforward, and user-friendly.
Considering situations where children accompany elders to medical appointments, Bobi provides a feature to store medical records for future reference or follow-up data, health progress, and other information. This can also serve as a reference for emergency medical personnel.
Most elderly individuals have chronic illnesses. Patients with conditions such as diabetes, kidney disease, and hypertension need to be cautious about their daily diet, with measures such as reducing salt and sugar intake. The Bobi app contains tutorials of simple recipes with high nutritional value, allowing the senior citizens to easily prepare their meals, avoiding the need to rely on dining outside.
We are planning the future prospects of our Bobi. So, possible potential value. In order to encourage the elderly to familiarize themselves with lab's operation, we'll expand the daily star feature, seamlessly connect with our community alliance. Just picture the daily star where seniors can share daily posts, saying a simple hello or a bit about their day. As a return, the 1 points on the app that can be exchanged at local supermarkets for gifts, meal vouchers, and even discounts at their favorite restaurant. It's a small reward for staying connected and enjoying the app.
Bobi, the connection between you and us.